Think Daddy's home.
Get him! Who is it?
Who is Gracie? You forget. Oh my God!
See, she's crying.
Damn it! You're not recognizing me? How you doing?
I think he remembers you. Is it him? Can you see Daddy? He's so happy.
I miss you so bad, honey. I'm so sorry I went away.
Oh my God!
I miss you so bad.
Are you happy?
Yes.
She's a girl.
Is that a hot transplant? A hot transplant?
A heart transplant.
Merry Christmas, Peter. Oh, look
It's a bagel.
Merry Christmas, Peter.
Hey, pretty girl. Come here. Come here, I miss you. Oh, you. How are you? Give me kisses. Come here. Hey, you're so big now. You're so big. How are you? How are you? Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. How are you? Come here. Oh, big boy. You're a big boy. Come here, big boy.
Those times I didn't feel like many things were positive. My name's Steven Simmons and I'm Burma's cat dad. Burma was there through the tough times as well, just like puppies. Puppy I found on a mountaintop in 2004, and the only time I've been away from her was during my time in Iraq. She's been through the hardest times with me. She's been with Burma from the start as well. So I got Burma 4 years ago when this homeless girl came up with a box of kittens. I knew the second she handed him to me that I was going to keep him. He was absolutely irresistible.
Adventure cat. Where do we go, Burma?
He doesn't like being held. He's got his own way of affection, and it doesn't include being held. Yeah. He doesn't want to just lay around and do nothing. He wants to be active, and he wants to be on the go, and he needs stimulation. Animals can take a little bit of loneliness away from you and companionship that you might not otherwise have. The thing about Puppy, you know, she doesn't ask like where we're going. She doesn't care if she's cold. She's just happy to be with me. You know, it's true unconditional love, the way it should be. They're absolutely my best friends, my brother, my sister, family, and I wouldn't know what to do without them.